So we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is "Police Gave Entitled 21-year-old a Much-Needed Dose of Reality." Okay. Now this sound like something. Yeah, this sound like somebody gonna get some act right, boy.
Don't walk.
No,
walk. Don't wrap around me.
On March 28, 2024, officers were dispatched in response to reports of a woman assaulting a store manager and stealing merchandise valued at over $1,000. While canvassing the area, officers observed a woman matching the suspect's description.
Something to your car? That's fine. But just if you took, just stop walking from me though, okay? Right? I just want to be chill with you. Right? I don't know.
If I took something, they wouldn't let me take shit.
Okay, but we're talking Jewel, right?
Yeah, I was gonna rob them and I didn't.
Okay. Well, just hang tight though, girl. Hold on. Listen.
Hang tight for what?
Well, because you're getting like way too amped up about it. You know what I mean?
No, I don't know.
Well, then just stop and listen.
Oh,
like
so
it's as simple as that.
Coming.
Yes.
Because I'm so amped up.
You just stop.
Don't act like I'm not gonna stop. Like I'm not gonna stop.
You were walking away.
I was walking to your car.
Stop many times.
And I was walking to your car like you asked me to do.
But I told you to stop many times. So just chill out. So where you at, Jewel?
I was at Julasco.
What happened here? You okay?
No, I'm not okay. Thanks for asking.
I'm asking.
What's the matter for? It has nothing to do with you. What's the matter?
But it does. I don't know what happened at Jewel. I have no idea what happened at Jewel.
Shit happened at Jewel.
Let's talk about it. What happened with that bottle?
I dropped it.
All right. So nothing happened at Jewel.
No.
You didn't steal nothing?
I didn't steal shit.
Did you have a cart?
I did have a cart. Okay. And did I leave with it? No. I didn't take shit out that store.
So you got nothing on you, nothing like that?
Nothing on me. I got this bottle that's broken.
Okay.
We can give you a ticket for open container, okay? So that's going to stop. You got an ID on you?
I do.
So what happened, what they said was that you were battered.
I battered?
You battered somebody.
I beat someone up?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
That's what they said.
Did I?
That's why I was trying to be chill with you and like figure that out. You know what I mean?
You said I don't want to get beat up.
Who?
I wouldn't beat you up. I wouldn't beat nobody up.
I can assure you wouldn't beat me up.
I know, I wouldn't.
Okay.
I wouldn't try.
Where are you living at now?
I'm homeless.
Homeless? Okay.
So I'll call you back, okay? I'm pulled over by the cops. I ain't do shit. I wish I would have did something now that all these police people are around me. They said I stole something from Jewel. I was going to, but I didn't.
Is it a minor that's up there?
Yeah.
Oh. You just matched the exact description of what somebody being hit in the face, okay? They said that cart full of items was stolen and that the manager was hit in the face by a female matching your exact description.
I didn't have nobody in the face and I wish I would have stole something. So we just gonna stand here then?
Yeah, until we figure out the officer right there.
Yeah. For sure. I'm gonna set this down then because you want to check my bag, make sure I ain't steal nothing?
Yeah, if you let me.
Actually, don't look in my bag.
Why not? No weapons?
I
won't
there's
search
a knife
it.
in there.
All right, we'll leave it over here then, okay?
Okay, zip it up.
Yep, that's fine. You got a knife in
Can
here.
you put the bottle down, please?
No, thank you.
It's an
You're
open
gonna put
container.
I'm not gonna get cut with a bottle. Are you kidding me?
You said put it down. I did what you asked me
So
to
you
do.
dropped that on my foot.
It did not drop on your foot. It's not even by your foot. It's next to your foot, 2 inches. It hit your foot for real?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Don't. Hey. Okay.
I was gonna throw it on my foot. Stop! Stop!
Oh, don't you dare.
I'll put my hands behind my back. Stop!
Put it back. Quick.
I'm not doing shit.
Drop your phone.
No. Stop. You're not gonna take my phone from me. Stop!
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Get on the ground. Hands on your back.
Stop!
Hold on.
I got this.
Please get off of me and I'll put my hands behind my back willingly. Please get off of me. Please! I can put my hands behind.
See, that's what happens when you want to be a smart ass. Put the bottle down. She threw the bottle down at his foot. Like that. Come on. Honestly. And then you want to go pick it back up after they just said to keep it down. She don't even look 21. She look like she done had a hard life, boy. She look like she done had a hard life because she looked like 30. She looked 30s. I ain't gonna lie to you. For real, for real.
Behind my back.
Put it behind your back. Put this one.
Get off of me.
No, put your hands behind your back.
You already got a resistance charge. You got this one?
You get off me. I'll put my hands behind my back. Let go of me now.
Let's go this.
Ouch!
I got this one.
Thanks for the like, Charles.
The line's right here, yeah.
Here, just cover it. All right. Put a cuff on. Just bit me. Are you kidding me?
Charlie, my bad, Charlie.
Bitten me, be careful.
Stop!
Go to jail. They double locked.
No.
Quit!
Let go of whatever's on that. Let go of that hand. Let go of it. Watch your hand. I gotta loosen them up.
Oh, you gotta loosen them up now,
Yes.
huh?
Watch your leg, dude. She'll bite you. No, they're not.
All right.
She's not. No, you're not taking them off. Double lock them. So you're fine. No, she's trying to bite again.
No, I'm not trying to
Stop
bite
it.
shit.
Knock it
I'm not
off.
doing that thing.
You just tried to bite his leg
I'm
again.
in the ground because you have my head pushed in the ground. I'm not biting
Because
you.
you
You're
just
fucking
bit me.
stupid. Yeah, I bit you because why the f you pushing my face into the ground? I'm not even doing nothing. I said I would let you help me up.
All right, no. Walk.
No.
Walk.
Stop it on the
Don't
ground.
wrap around me.
Really.
Grab legs. You're going in a squad car. You just keep
I
picking.
know I'm going in the squad car.
Just got her.
You guys
Yeah, you got her legs.
Please
You're
stop.
making it.
No, I'm not. I said I would walk. Stop.
You want to act like a child? We'll carry you.
Hold on. Just hold on.
Okay. Here. Here you go. Grab.
Sorry, give me help.
Oh.
Okay. Rumple, grab that side. We need to get her in a car before she kicks someone.
Ow! Stop!
Put her down. You have the door open. She kick you?
Yeah. My groin.
All right.
Oh my god.
3 felonies. Congrats.
Whoa!
Quit.
Let go of me!
Get in the car.
How am I supposed to get in the car?
We're going to push you in the car.
Oh yeah, I bet you are.
Yeah. I don't want to get big. Get in the car.
I can't! Can you let me help myself in?
No.
No?
Because you keep kicking and biting us.
So I can't help myself in. So I'm not laying like this. Okay. Okay, well then we're not getting in here.
You got it.
Oh, you're trying to put my arms over my back. Well, that's
Pick up my
not
torso.
true.
And pull it toward me. Okay, get in.
I can't!
Yes, you can.
How the can I get in if I'm not standing up?
Go and pull it. There you go.
She's gonna pull me in. Oh, okay. Can I have my sock back, please?
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Ah!
Put your foot in.
You want me to get the...
Yeah.
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Let me have my hand.
No. Put your foot in.
Okay.
We'll just hobble you.
Grab a hobble. No. Back.
I'm sitting here.
Go ahead. Pull it tight.
Let go of me.
Put that in there.
What's your name?
She's gonna bite.
What's your name?
You're about to get tased. You understand me?
You're gonna take me?
Yes, because you're
Okay.
actively kicking a police officer.
No, I'm not. He won't let me put my foot in the vehicle. He's just trying to put my foot in the
No.
plastic. You don't need to tie my
Well, look, here we go, man. She's homeless. She trying to make sure she can secure a crib for the next few years. That's the logical sense that I done came up with, man. This is the logical reason to why she's acting out the way she is. She's homeless. So she need 3 hots and a cot. And she said, well, all right, if you guys are investigating me anyway or whatever, well, shoot, well, I'm going to make sure I get a nice place to stay for at least 2 years or at least the next year or so. You know what I mean? So I ain't got to worry about nothing. That's what's really going on here. See, cops, you got to use your noggin. That's why she's acting out.
my feet up. Hey,
Well,
you down.
You keep kicking us so you're getting your hobble.
Just push her in.
I can get in by
Get in.
myself. You could have closed this door this whole time.
Watch your foot.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
She what?
Kick me in the balls.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I thought I could throw up.
I say.
Well, she started walking away. She told me she was going to rob Jewel. And that's why I was like, okay, stop. And then she wouldn't stop, and that's when I finally grabbed her. What's she kicking?
The barricade.
Those windows have bars, right?
Yeah, this one does.
Okay, good. She can kick all she wants, son. Hey, what's up? So I'm not gonna be able to do a show because she's so combative.
So we have video footage of it.
Red sweatshirt, dyed hair. I mean, it's her.
She had a white backpack.
Yeah, it's her. And oh, you watched it on video?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you guys, when you're done there, just come up here and look at her? And I mean, the description's perfect, and then you guys watching the video and seeing her, we're solid. Yeah, she's just so combative, we can't get out of the car. So.
So we have battery and felony retail theft.
And was the stolen items put into the white backpack?
They said there possibly might be some in there. She had a cart full of items, like it's over $1,000.
Oh, where'd that go?
So she pushed the cart past the final purchase point, battered our victim, and then took off on foot.
Chill out. Why are you doing that? You're gonna. Why?
She's bashing her head into it?
Yeah. He's like, I want to.
I'm gonna have them hurry up, get up here, solid ID, and then we're gonna have battery and felony retail theft there, and then we'll do 3 counts of ag bat for here.
Okay. All right, listen, I'm gonna give you this inhaler, okay?
Can I fix myself, please?
Yes, yeah, let's do that.
Are you gonna kick or bite us?
No.
Okay, we will help you then.
Please don't touch me then, please.
Well, then how are we supposed to
Just
help
stay
you?
right there and don't touch me, please.
Okay, you asked for your inhaler, so do you want me to take a minute to get up?
No, I want it, please.
Well, you're the one contorting yourself like this. I'm not gonna let you fall.
I said, please don't touch me.
Okay, I'm gonna touch you.
Let me have my inhaler.
Then get up.
Please.
Well,
Here, just hand it to me.
Can you get it from that angle though? Here, let me just help you with it. Can I just help you with this? Okay, let me see. Just here. Are you ready? Just hey, take a breath. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. Trying to put your
Okay,
hand
have a
up
seat
there.
back in.
I got it.
Okay, sit back in.
Like I said, I would have done this for
No,
the
you
first
wouldn't have,
place.
so
Yes,
stop.
I would have.
Well, don't bite and kick police officers then.
Well, don't hold me down.
Well, you're under arrest for battery on the manager, felony retail theft, and then 3 counts of aggravated battery. For hitting us. Move your foot. Move
Get
your foot.
out of the
in.
door.
It's moved.
No, it's not. Move it in.
It's not in the way.
I'm not playing your game.
I'm not playing your
You're
games.
going to
It's not
county,
in the way.
so put your foot in. Anything looks.
Was it anything for this though? I don't know if it.
Yeah, it was like combative resisting.
Nothing looks stolen.
27. Are you guys almost up here? We need to get her out of here. We need to get going. She's grabbing at your rifle and stuff. Do you know your partition was open? Yeah, she knows how to pry them open with her teeth. You're gonna get hobbled. Knock it off.
Oh, just let me out.
She's gonna break the partition or something. You don't open the back doors. Just look in through the plexiglass. This thing. Does that hurt? Okay. So grab the legs, hobble them, lock in the car, and then we'll get you going.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, so you were gonna grab my feet and you're gonna grab my hands?
They're gonna get hobbled.
Just calm.
I'm calm.
Down. Cannot let you hurt yourself. Or
Okay, I'm not. The only way I'm hurting myself is because you're holding me down and my wrist. I'm not doing nothing. I'm laying here. I'm not kicking. I won't kick. Stop trying to shut me up. That shit makes me go insane. Please don't. Please don't. I won't do nothing. Please, I promise you. I promise you. I won't. Please. No, I didn't. It's because y'all kept trying to hold me down. Please stop. No, I'm gonna get angry. Please stop. Please. I won't bite you no more. Please stop.
I'm not letting you break equipment.
And you're not letting me break my legs either, huh? Yes, I promise.
Okay, do you have it tight?
Oh, my mama. Stop! Stop! I will stay chill if
No.
you like all me.
Put-
I promise you, I will stay chill.
No,
I
we're not
promise
doing
on
this.
everything
You
I
just
love.
about broken this.
Tell them to stop, and I will stop. That's the only reason I'm doing
You
this.
haven't listened this entire time with us.
No, you haven't. No, you haven't.
But we have.
Stop! Don't f***ing do it. Stop!
Could be that you
This shit is hurting my wrist.
Okay.
Let's
we want to
Let's
sit you
just-
up, but you're not listening.
because y'all won't let go of me.
At least one leg's done. Okay. Done.
Because y'all won't let me, you
Calm
stupid.
down.
Look, I told you I would sit up on my own. Let go of my...
Am I good to just go, Sarge?
Yeah, just go tell County she's bite kicking.
I'm leaving.
She on this side or?
Her feet should be over here. I think her head's back here, but she just likes to bite. She likes to kick.
Oh,
I know, she started moving.
Let me hold my... Ow.
What? Oh, jeez, breathe.
No, I can walk, please. Please let me walk. It hurts so bad.
The woman was charged with felony shoplifting, battery, resisting arrest, criminal damage to property, and 3 counts of aggravated battery against a peace officer.